Welcome to our YouTube channel where we explore the captivating world of wooden animals art. In this video, we will take you an immersive journey through the amazing reclaim of these handcrafted creations with their executive detailing and nature allure. Wooden animal sculpture possessing a unique charm and has captivated art enthusiasts for centuries. Each piece of wooden animals art is meticulously crafted by skilled artisans who pour their heart and soul into transforming blocks of wooden into lifelike representation of various creatures from majestic elephants of graceful bird and fierce predator. The diversity of this wooden cluster is truly remarkable. The artist's expert craftsmanship and attention to detail bring these animals of life. Capturing their sense with remarkable precision, the process begins with careful selection of the wood as different tribes lend themselves to different artistic style and animals form. The wood is then sculptured and carved using an array of specialization tools including chisels and gourds. Every stroke of the artisan's hand shaped the wood, carving out intricate features that define the animal's anatomy and character. The artisans not only focus on the external form but also strive to capture and strike the personality of each animal. Their deep understanding of animals' behavior and autonomy allow them to create sculptures that evoke a sense of life and movement. These stable curves, graceful posture, and expressive eyes bring forth a sense of reclaim that are truly inspiring. Once of primary carving is complete, the artisans meticulously refine the sculpture, paying careful attention to the smallest detail. Delicate texture like fur, feather to scales are meticulously recreated, enhancing the lifelike quality of the artwork. The artisans employ various techniques such as sanding, staining, and polishing to and natural beauty of the wood and create smooth luxury and finishes. The choice of wood plays a significant role in the final appearance of the sculpture. Some artisans prefer hardwood like mahogany to oak, which offer strength and durability, while others opt with softer wood like pine and cedar, which allowing the more intricate detailing. Regardless of the wood type, each sculpture possesses distinct personality that emerge from the collaboration between the artisan's vision and inherent character of the material. Wooden animals arts serve as a calibration of nature, beauty and diversity is not showcase the artisans over cases of the craftsman but also act as reminder of deep connection with animal kingdom. These sculptures serve as timeless treasure, bring a touch of wild into our home and inspiring a sense of wonder and appreciation of the nature world. Either you are an art enthusiast, a nature lover, or simply appreciate the skill and dedication that goes into creating these masterpieces. We invite you to join us this visual safari in the world of wooden animals art. Prepare to be enthralled by the artistry, amazed by the level of detail, and inspired by the harmonious blend of nature and craftsmanship that define this captivating art form. So sit back, relax, and let your imagination roam free as they embark on this extraordinary journey into the enchanting reclaim of wooden animal art.